Guardian Roofing come out and completely redo my roof. They had to take off 2 layers of roofing, and they replaced plywood and a few other sheets of wood up on there. They did a very fantastic job. The crew that came out, they were efficient. They each day came out and cleaned up after themselves. And then I had a gentleman come out and had to replace one full rain gutter. It had to be replaced, and he came and inspected it, put it together right outside my yard, went up on the roof, installed it, and he did a very good job. And I like how it turned out. I would highly recommend Guardian Roofing.